Hello everyone, this is Ayush. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to do long-lasting makeup for summers. It will not move even with your sweat or water around you. I'm going to give you some methods, tips and tricks that you can use to make it long-lasting in the oily and sweaty days of summer. First of all, after washing your face, you need to ice your face. Wrap the ice in a cloth so that it doesn't directly touch your skin. It can damage your skin. Why ice? Because ice is cold. When you put something cold on your skin feels like it is cool outside, so I'm going to sweat less. Now it's time to use a toner. Toner is simply a really thin product. It's like a liquid. Toner has the ability to maintain the pH of your skin. It's neither too acidic nor too basic. That's how it will keep your skin at a good condition, and it will also help to shrink your pores. It will provide a lot of water to your skin because toner has hyaluronic acid or glycerin or aloe vera. These products will lock water in your skin, and when your skin already has moisture in, then it will produce less oil, because the purpose of producing oil is to lock the water of the skin. So you're already putting a lot of water, so skin will no longer need to produce more oil. You can skip toner if you are using a serum. Let it dry, then move to the next step, that is moisturizer. I'm using the Pond's moisturizer. It's for oily skin, and apply it all over your face, but the layer should be really thin. Thin layers are important when you're doing makeup in summers, because it's like sweaters. When you wear more layers, you will sweat more. When you wear only one thin cloth t-shirt, you will sweat less. Similarly, when there are a lot of layers on your skin, then you will sweat more. So keep everything thin. So a little bit of moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm using here is for makeup. If you want skincare, if you want to add some more benefits in your skin, use some other moisturizer. This one is silicone based, and this adheres to your makeup so great. It will help your makeup to last longer if you have oily skin. Let this also dry and blot the excess moisturizer with a tissue. Try to apply less already, yet there will be some excess, so try to blot that. Now moisturize your lips with a lip balm and go with a primer. The primer I'm using is silicone based, and it is blurring primer. Blurring primer meaning it will blur the pores of my skin and will make my skin look more even. Apply it all over your face, and in some areas where you have texture, try to press it so that the product gets pushed in those areas and gets filled in the pores. It will help you even out your makeup, plus it will increase the longevity of your makeup. It will make your makeup last for a really long time. Now it's time for color corrector. I have a little bit of dark circles right at the inner corners of my eyes, and definitely I have the greenish grayish color of mustache. So I'm going to use an orange color corrector all over those areas. I'm using a cream one because I don't have a liquid one. I would recommend you to use a liquid color corrector in summers because liquids dry and they will not move. Creams will move. So try to use liquid color correctors. LA Girl is a good one. You can also take Insight's color corrector. That will work for you. And blend it with a sponge. We are blending it with a sponge so that there is no excess product sitting on your skin. Otherwise it will move. Whatever is extra on your skin, it will move. So we will apply the thinnest layers possible, and no extra product should be kept on your face. This is the key to make the makeup stay on your skin. Now I'm going to take a loose powder to set all of this color corrector. Yes, it will prevent my color corrector from mixing with my foundation, so it will not alter the color of my foundation. Using powder will also work as a primer for oily skin. Yes, powder can be a primer for oily skin. Now take a foundation. Here I'm taking Maybelline Superstay. It is an oil resistant, sweat resistant and waterproof foundation. So not only just thin layers of products, but the right choice of products will make your makeup last longer. Here I'm using this foundation because this will stay put on my skin. Any other foundation that is washable, that do not have these properties, will not stay on your skin. So other than this technique that I'm showing, choose the correct products. Fit Me also works. I have mixed this Superstay 310 shade with Fit Me's darkest shade and a little bit of the lightest shade to get my correct match. As this formula dries very quick, so I am going to work in sections, put it on some area and then blend it at that area, put it on the next area, then blend it there. This is how we are going to do it. Take it to a hairline so that it doesn't look like you have a face mask on. For my forehead, I am taking a darker mix. I am taking more of that dark shade of Fit Me and no amount of the lighter shade of Fit Me. And yes, Superstay is going to give me the most longevity because it is a 24-hour formula. If you're confused how to find the long-lasting formula which are sweat resistant or maybe oil resistant also, then look for long-lasting foundations that promise to last longer, to 24 hours, 16 hours, 30 hours. Yes, some foundation also promise to be 48 hours long wear. Now I'm going to apply the lightest shade of Fit Me at the inner corner of my eyes to make them look a little brighter. I'm taking the tiniest amount because I only want brightness, not a thick layer on my skin, because it's going to move, it's going to crease. I'm going to take it on my chin as well because I want my chin to look more protruding. I'm only applying it between my eyebrows because my forehead is already very large, but I want brightness, so only between the eyebrows. On the cheekbones, I'm using it on the cheekbones also because I want my cheekbones to look more protruded. Let me tell you what I did here. I have a black colored mole at this part of my cheek. So I took that foundation mix that got dried up a little bit. So it was way too thick at that time. I took that and put it on the dot. This will cover the black colored spot and blend it really lightly, just the edges. Don't forget about your neck and take your product to the ears also because these parts should also look like your own skin. Now set everything with a powder. I'm using Miss Claire banana powder and set your entire face. This will lock all the liquids, all the creams at place and will not let them move. Don't take too much of product because powder can also move, or maybe because of sweat it can get patchy. So don't take too much of it, but make sure you're applying everywhere. Now we will blot the excess product with a tissue. So this step is really important because whatever sitting on the top right now will move. So we are removing everything with a clean tissue. Try to use a clean tissue, not the wet tissue from your moisturizer, because that will lift more product that we don't want. Finish it with a lipstick and a lip liner. For summers, I will recommend you to use lighter formulas which are not too creamy. Avoid liquid lipstick that feels very uncomfortable. If you feel you have applied too much, then blot the product maybe twice. And then I'm reapplying the lipstick at the center only to intensify the color. Now here is the look ready. This makeup will not move. I have tested it for 10 hours. After that I washed it, so I don't know how long it can go further. It will look like your skin and it will not look like you're wearing too much of makeup. And this way you can also wear a loud makeup at any one part of your skin. For example, I wore in the eyes. I have created cut crease this time. If you are excited and if you want to see the cut crease, then definitely subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification. And please hit that like button because it makes me happy. And when we are happy, we become more beautiful. So please hit that like button if you want to see me more beautiful. And that was all about our today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and we'll meet in the next one. Bye guys.